guys, Raphael here with Nova Cleaners. Today I want to demonstrate how we clean showers with post-construction dust. So let's get right to it. Alright, let's demonstrate to you guys how to properly clean that fine construction dust out of a shower. We're going to show you how to clean the tile and the glass. So you want to go ahead and use a proper vacuum with a proper filter, because that fine dust will ruin a regular vacuum cleaner. So you got to make sure you use the proper equipment. Not only will it not ruin your machine, but if you use proper equipment like the one we're showing you, you can do a nice, thorough job, but it's also pretty speedy. So now we're moving ahead over to the glass. Very, very straightforward. This glass does not have to be as time consuming as one might think. All we use here is Dawn dish soap, hot water. We use a flathead Violeta mop. We soak the whole glass, make sure that we get all the grime off it. Then we use a squeegee, and we always cut in properly in the glass so there's no top dripping. Then we go all the way down, as you see here. Very, very straightforward. Doesn't take a whole lot, and it isn't very time consuming, as you can see. It's fairly quick, and then we can just move on to the next thing. Obviously, something important to keep in mind, it's not as important here in the shower, but if you do windows or anything like that, you might want to put a towel on the bottom. I did not put a towel down here because we are inside of a shower. So that floor is used to getting soaked with water. So therefore, there's no risk of damaging anything. Of course, now you got to make sure you take a proper microfiber cloth and go and check and see if there's any smudges that you may have missed. Make sure you buff out the glass properly. And then at the very end, you're going to have to wipe down that bottom part that is wet from the squeegee. And then you will have a nice clean shower without any of that fine construction dust. So that's all there's to it, folks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.